Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to turn off voice text on Android so you can type your messages without using voice input. It's a quick and easy process. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open any app where you can type, like Messages or Gmail, which will bring up the keyboard on your screen. Step 2. Tap anywhere you can enter text to bring up the keyboard. Then tap the gear icon at the top of the keyboard to open the keyboard settings. Step 3. In the keyboard settings, find and tap the option labeled Voice Typing. This option may be located under Languages and Input, Text Correction, or Advanced, depending on your phone model. Step 4. In the voice typing settings, toggle off Assistant Voice Typing to disable voice text on your Android phone. Turning this off will stop voice input from activating when you use your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tips and tutorials.